Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of aromatherapy with what many are calling the best ultrasonic diffuser on the market. Join me as we explore the features and benefits of the InnoGear Aromatherapy Diffuser and 10 essential oils set. Let's kick things off by talking about what sets this diffuser apart from the rest. With a sleek yellow wood grain design and a generous 400 ml water tank capacity, this diffuser is not only stylish but also highly functional, making it perfect for large rooms and offices. But what truly makes this diffuser stand out is its versatility. It offers 4 timer settings and 2 mist levels, allowing you to customize your aromatherapy experience to suit your needs. Plus, with its low noise operation, you can enjoy the benefits of essential oils without any disturbance. And speaking of essential oils, this set comes with a delightful array of 10 pure and natural scents, including peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus. Whether you're looking to relax, rejuvenate, or uplift your mood, there's a scent for every occasion. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the ease of use, the soothing LED light options, and the overall value for money that this diffuser provides. Plus, with its safe and easy-to-clean design, you can rest assured knowing that you're investing in a quality product. Just listen to what some of our satisfied customers have to say. So there you have it, folks. The InnoGear Aromatherapy Diffuser and 10 Essential Oils set is truly the ultimate companion for anyone looking to enhance their well-being through the power of aromatherapy. With its stylish design, customizable features, and high-quality essential oils, it's no wonder why this diffuser has garnered such rave reviews. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy diffusing!